haven't made the flow. So obviously warming up first, and then we'll back together. Southern ground. So now she's only 5 months old over there. 11. Yes. Got collarbones and a look. Whereas the rest we just let her out to come and